Yo, my name is Smac here, and this is my ZoneOut session. Shout out to Freeme TV. Fresh out of Joss, I'm too hot. I'm about to change the course of time, a new plot. I'm about to cook a 3-course meal, a new pot. Bring your top 5 rappers to kill him with 2 shots. Now Fada Waka, now they know my name. Since I train out at any, but I think I'm still the same. Got that bright idea rhyming, now I'm switching on the game. Life just seems a little lighter with some fire on my trail. I never bail, I'm convicted to these bars, making moves just to rise like the sun on these stars. Just to put my mama up in the condo with new cars. 2020, it's too far. I want it now like a kid up in the mall, throwing fits like I'm custom made, prepping for that cover page, making music for the new age. So I gotta do something fresh, a new stage. I'm sorry we're not acquainted, I'm Smac, the next rated. Born in the mainstream but I got emancipated. Draw back, I'm too faded, wrote bars and then I laid it. Instrumental to this music, bought drums and then I played it. Born from the will of God, but I ain't jaded. I'm coming for that throne you sit on, but I ain't Satan. And I'm saying this for those of y'all who didn't get the memo. Volcano spitting live and I ain't dropped my first demo. I ain't competing in this league of mine, because it's mine just like Nike, watch me do it. In due time, I got a Rolex on my wrist, so watch me blow in good time. Topping the top 10 is just a matter of when. Shaking Yaro, Garabari, Kunajishi, Kamayaji, Kutashi. I'm fly like your President Buhari, cause back in my city of Joss, you know I'm ill, but I'm so Sammy from the block. Smack that, sweeter than a Kit Kat. You hear the live sort of music from a sick chap. That's what the doctor said, a chicken asibiti. Then prescribed me a dose of last giddy. Now here I am in the city of dreams. By definition, with the visionary deans. 5 years on the clock, there ain't nothing I ain't seen. With 3 failed attempts in a one-man team. So, follow me, let me take you on a mind trip. Rough story written down with a fine tip. With a knack for rhyming, flowing perfect timing. It's an art, but I prove like scientists. Lay back on my sofa, cheers to the good life, wine or grape soda. No need for raised shoulders. Steady on my grind, everything will come in due time. Yeah, everything will come in due time. Yeah, see, everything will come in due time. Don't be sleeping on your dreams, my G. Thing will come in due time. Yeah, everything will come in due time. Yeah, everything will come in due time. Don't be sleeping on your dreams, my G, cause everything will come in due time. I'm a brother who be killing cause I'm arcane like propane. You heard that like Rogaine, I wrote that with no brain. It's just with, not Houston, it's just with. Hey Whitney, the ratings keep boosting, they wailing like Sydney. Propeller, my rhymes a pro fella. I'm lit like Coachella, I flank then come center. I score then come through, I smack the dope seller. You best to know better, don't be messing with my crew.